1990s के बाद कभी नहीं दिखाई दी है। मेटल रॉड से बना हुआ है, लाइक टू ऑफ इट।
I am a member of the so-called group of volunteer collaborators.
अभी लेफ्ट में एक बाटा का शोरूम आ जाएगा कभी।
Now we are going back to Hamburg.
Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of Albania series। और आज का नाश्ता है आलू सैंडविच और चाय। नाश्ता करने के बाद हम वेट कर रहे हैं अब अपनी बस का। 1 घंटे के बाद हमारी बस है तिराना के लिए। हमारी बस इतनी क्लासिक है कि यहाँ पर जो टीवी है वो भी 1990s के बाद कभी नहीं दिखाई दी है।
बट यहाँ दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
यहाँ दिखाई दे रहे हैं। बट गुड थिंग इज वी हैव AC on the top, which is working, and that's enough for us, I guess.
This bus is much better than the last one.
Yeah, many times.
Saranda.
Many times better. अभी हम पिक स्टॉप पे हैं, उसके बाद रिज्यूम करेंगे अपनी जर्नी।
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream.
Now we are crossing Ali Pasha Castle, जो अली पाशा का प्राइमरी रेजिडेंट हुआ करता था किसी टाइम।
Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to
हमारी बस अब एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के लिए रुकी है फॉर रिफ्रेशमेंट्स एंड वॉशरूम ब्रेक। यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे ऑप्शंस थे लोकल फूड के, बट हमारे पास अपना खाना था तो हमने सिर्फ यहाँ से ड्रिंक्स लिए और अपना खाना खाया।
Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop.
Now we are back and our journey continues.
We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I
So guys, this is the home that we have booked in Tirana. ये आंटी है जो हमारी लैंडलॉर्ड है। That has a beautiful vine at the entrance. Near a gate. Let's get in. This is the dining area at the entrance. Double bed, sitting area. The kitchen. It has all the appliances and cutlery as well. यहाँ पे है कबर्ड, वार्डरोब एंड छोटा सा बेथिंग एरिया। सो स्मॉल एंड स्वीट। एंड ऑल्सो हमारी लैंडलेडी ने हमें कस्टर्ड भी दिए, लाइक 2 of it. She's so sweet. हम उसको बाद में टेस्ट करेंगे। These are some instructions. तिराना में आने के बाद हमें बहुत तेज़ भूख लगी थी तो हम आए एक लोकल रेस्टोरेंट में पिज़्ज़ा खाने। to promote the art in Albania. यहाँ पे एक आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन है, द क्लाउड. ये एक 3D स्ट्रक्चर है जो आई थिंक स्टिक्स और मेटल रॉड से बना हुआ है. So that's the cooling station in Tirana. It's nothing but a misting machine जो आपको पूरा मिस्ट कर देगी. थोड़ा सा कूल डाउन करेंगे apparently, but I think इस हीट के सामने ये भी नाकाम है. चलो चलते हैं अब हमारे बंकयार्ड की तरफ जो है right in front of us. वो जो डोम है that's the Bunkard 2. So apparently in the period of communism इनको डर था कि यहाँ पे बमबारी होगी, तो उन्होंने कैसे कहीं सारे बंकर बनाए थे जो बाद में तो कोई काम नहीं आए, बट कुछ को इन्होंने प्रिजर्व करके म्यूजियम बना दिया. सो लेट्स विजिट दैट. You will soon hear a few recordings from the AR feature of the Bunkard 2.
Very exciting moment when we first wore these grey-green uniforms with red and black collar, caps and ranks sewn on the back of the jacket. We looked like Austro-Hungarian soldiers. On March 1st, 1914, several Dutch officers arrived and divided us into 4 divisions. They were put in charge by the great powers to organize the Albanian armed forces, because as I or better say a Fink, which is even worse, but in fact I am an ordinary citizen who loves his homeland and the party. Trust me, I spend all my time running and patrolling up and down the neighborhood, helping the people police maintain order. I am a member of the so-called group of volunteer collaborators, and the uniform is just this red ribbon that has the initials GBV that I carry on my arm. We were advised for it by the Russians as they work that way too. People secretly call me a Fink, and I feel they hate me because they think I do this job for money, but in reality I earn only 80 lek per month, which is nothing compared to the sacrifice and service I provide to my homeland and party. They call me a Fink and say it with contempt, but then they covertly come to my house and ask me for favors because they know that I can do them. Hypocrites. After all, they are afraid of me and respect me. They know that even though they only pay me 80 lek per month, I am worth much more. Even the security, that is the communist secret police, from time to time asks me for information, and of course, what I know I refer to, as this is part of my duty to serve my homeland. They have a lot of collaborators, but they are almost all undercover, as they operate covertly, whereas we work outside, under the sunlight, and with the red ribbon.
This room shows how the border forces were also using dogs for surveillance and for protection. Border forces were active from 1945 till 1991. During the communist era, a lot of time, money, and effort were put in place to prevent people from escaping Albania. This is an example on how communist regime kept an eye on unsuspected officials of Albania. Every method in the book was used to keep an eye on people and control what they see, say, and do. Latest technology was used to have audio and visual surveillance of people. This room had the list of people who fell victim to the communist regime and lost their lives.
I am Father Zev Plumi, a Franciscan priest who spent 26 years in communist prisons. My language is Gag Albanian, but for all the numerous visitors from all Albanian territories to clearly understand me, I will speak in Albanian literary language. In these photos, I am 43 years old, and it was a sad sight because it was shot by the communist secret police on the day and at the place where I was caught while trying to escape from the country and the persecutions against the religious people. It was September 25, 1967, and I remember this day like this. When we reached the Bloku, we went down the road and I parted from the man who was accompanying me, a typical mountaineer. I went uphill to Qafa Terthores, where my family spent the summer. From there I took a path that led me to the top, toward the mountain peaks covered with eternal snow, to thus avoid the shepherds. Following the peaks, it took me so long that only in the evening I was able to find a shelter. I wrapped myself up as a kulach under the new pines behind the Qafa Vishnias. From the valley up to here, I could hear the barking of the dogs guarding the stalls, and it seemed to me as if they had surrounded me. Sometimes it seemed to me as if the barks were approaching. I had brought with me a can of condensed milk and a packet of biscuits. I spent the whole night like this, neither awake nor asleep. I was very tired. Also because I was very cold while I was wearing summer clothes. When dawn came, I was unable to walk due to fatigue and the cold, and I had a terrible headache. From my childhood I could remember that not far from there were 3 or 4 stalls that were used only during summer at a place called Roniza. I resumed walking, had a terrible thirst, and with my ears wide open I tried to listen to the gargling of a fountain. It seemed to me as if I had found it. But when I came out of the forest to make my way to the fountain, I spotted a group of 8 or 9 people climbing to the same fountain. Of course, they should not see me, so I lay down on the ground behind some small pines. But I noticed that they were approaching me. I realized they were looking for me, like hound looking for rabbits. He was here, I heard one of them saying. I got up to my feet and took the path that led me to the valley, trying to escape between the sharp cliffs. Suddenly, I was stopped by one of them who was armed and shouted at me, "Stop! Stop! Hands up!" I was put in a truck, surrounded by other volunteers who had been looking for me and who handed me over to the other side of the border. They took me to my first cell. I lay down on 2 old blankets, and from that moment on, I no longer knew where I was.
Jug Castriotti, also known as Skanderbeg, fought against the Ottoman Empire and started a rebel that resulted in free Albania as it is today, and hence he is considered the hero in Albania. There is a statue of Skanderbeg installed in City Square, built over the platform made with stone slabs brought together from different states of Albania to signify the unity among the Albanians and to celebrate their victory over the dark past.
ये है सिटी सेंटर के आसपास की मार्केट।
हम हैं तिराना में और फील आ रहा है जैसे हम हैं दिल्ली के लाजपत नगर में।
सही में ऐसा लग रहा है अभी लेफ्ट में एक बाटा का शोरूम आ जाएगा कभी ना कभी।
सारी लोकल शॉप्स, शूज, कपड़े यही सब मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे। फोन कवर्स,
मेकअप शॉप्स, मतलब कोई एग्जॉटिक कोई ब्रांड हो वैसा कोई शोरूम नहीं है। सब नॉर्मल से शोरूम्स हैं, लोकल बुटीक्स हैं।
अल्बानिया में ज़्यादा वो है नहीं ट्रेंड।
हाँ, ज़्यादा ट्रेंड है नहीं वो ब्रांडेड का या कुछ का।
यहाँ सारी लोकल कॉपीज मिल रही हैं।
थोड़ी सी लोकल कॉपीज भी हैं, हाँ, अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट्स ऑल्सो ट्रू। पर आई थिंक ये है जहाँ पे हमें जाना है, ये एक का सुपर मार्केट है। मुझे एक ऑरेंज सोडा उठा दोगे? तो हम अपना पानी और कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेके इतना थक गए थे कि हम सड़क किनारे ही बैठ गए।
हमें थोड़ा सा व्यू दिखा था, हमने कहा यहाँ पे एंजॉय कर लेते हैं।
सो थोड़ा एंजॉय करने के बाद हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अपनी जर्नी अपने अपार्टमेंट की तरफ। Today is our last day on our trip of Albania.
And we are going back today to Hamburg. So we are having our last meal here. We are having
Maggie, homemade chai.
and chai.
इसकी हमारी टिकट आई। So here's us walking towards the airport.
Yes, now we are going back to Hamburg.
ये
और अभी
finally
हम वो पीछे जो बस खड़ी है हम उससे आए हैं लूना ट्रैवल्स।
यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट शटल हमेशा लूना ट्रैवल्स की ही चलती है। शायद यहाँ से सिटी सेंटर जाना या सिटी सेंटर से एयरपोर्ट आना हो।
So many people are waiting for their flights. Most of the flights are delayed. So अब हम एयरपोर्ट पे हैं एंड फिर से हमारी फ़्लाइट डिले हो गई है 45 मिनट्स। विज़ एयर से हमने बुक की थी अपनी टिकट, बट चीप है, बट इट्स वेरी बैड एयरलाइन।
If you have a connection, then it's the worst decision ever. because you can never rely on the timing of the flight. But the way it is, हमारी एक ही flight है तो हमारे लिए तो easy है. We can just relax and go a little bit late. That's fine for us. और जिसकी कोई connection हो तो उसके लिए it's worse.
We are sitting on these recliners and waiting for our flight. This is the food court. We are back in Hamburg now, and from our jackets you can know that Hamburg में कैसा temperature होगा. It's 18 degrees. Albania में it was 38 degrees.
38 degrees or 35 I think जब हम we left Tirana.
Yes.
So a big difference. It's the jackets पहनी है.
Now we are going to our home and our trip ends here.
Hope you liked the video.
See you until next time.